Let's make this paper tulip together. You will need a square piece of paper for petal, and let's fold it on the first diagonal. Now open it and fold it on the second diagonal. Open it and also fold it on both center lines. Now open it and fold each corners of the paper into the center one. And the last one. And now fold paper in a diagonal line, like so, and again through this center line. And now open the upper layer of the paper, press it down, turn it around, and do the same on the other side. And this is our starting position with this part facing downwards and open part facing upwards. And bring the corners of the paper into the center line and make sure that this line is a little bit off. Like so, so it's not straight, but it's a little bit off. Do the same with the other side, and for this one just bring this corner of the paper to this corner right here in the middle. Press it down, turn it around, and do the same with this side, but now this bottom line is our guiding point. So bring it to the center and align it with the bottom line. And the same with the other side. Like so. Now flip this part of the paper over so that we have a whole side, and do the same with the other side. So now we will bring this line a little bit inwards, so starting from this point right here, take it a little bit inwards. Like so, and do the same on the other side. And now flip paper over and do the exact same on the other side, and again this bottom line is our guide. Like this. Now take your scissors and cut off a little bit of this point right here. Like so, so that we have a hole in the middle. Now open the petals so that we will have this square shape. Slide your finger inwards and open them and push it outwards so that it stays open. And once you have it, take pencil, toothpick or some kind of stick and roll the petals a little bit outwards, so like this on all four sides of the paper. And just like this, our upper part of the tulip is done. Now let's focus on the stem and the leaves. For this you will need a square piece of paper and cut it into a half. And now let's start with folding the stem of our paper. You will apply a little bit of glue on the paper and then take a pencil or a toothpick and roll it in. So try to tuck it in as firmly as you can. And now just roll it till it's over at the end. And also apply glue at the end of the paper so that it stays rolled together. And hold it here a little bit. And let's continue with folding the leaf. Fold it in half. Open it and fold the corners in and align it with the middle line of the paper. And again fold it again, so this line align it with the middle line. And now also fold these two corners inwards. Like so. And again we'll fold these two side lines inwards and align it with the center line. And now fold it in the center line, so just fold it in half. Like this. And now open it. Hold it like this, so this one stays open. And try to open the upper part of the leaf, so just move it in the opposite direction while holding this part of the paper close together. Now take scissors and cut the bottom of our stem so that it's straight, like so, and on this upper side we will cut it on 4 sides, so you can pinch it together, that's easier. Cut it in half. And now also cut it on this upper line that we made while pinching it. And now our paper is divided on 4 sides. Like so. And you will apply glue on the bottom side of it, so on all 4 sides, and also a little bit on the stem, and later you will slide it in through the hole in the middle of our petal. So let's apply glue. open these four sides and slide it in through the center line. And you can also use your toothpick or your pencil to adjust the sides. Next, apply glue on this part of the leaf and fold it into the center line. Like so. And again apply it right here so that we will put it on a stem like this. Now just wait for glue to dry, and once it's dry you've made your origami tulip. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next one. Bye!